On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang, gang. Are we live? Could someone confirm? Now I got like PTSD, man. I'm not gonna stream. Anybody? No, we're not. No. What's going on, everybody? Otter Gang. Happy Friday, everybody. God bless. Hopefully you've all had a beautiful morning. Bitcoin ripping. Solana ripping. The gang winning. We're winning. You're winning. We're all winning. I eat, you eat. We all feast. Happy Friday, everybody. Let's jump into the charts. Say good morning. Thank God we're live. What is going on, gang? Jeez. Bitcoin with the, I pray. You know, there was this time where we just got pumps at like 3 a.m. every day. Just 3 a.m. pump, 3 a.m. pump. Like, I mean, we all like a nice little 3 a.m. pump. But, you know, at this stage, we'll see. There's your slurp for all the slurp fans. Hopefully you've all had a beautiful, beautiful day. Bitcoin pushing, continuing, bouncing, trying to find its way up to, I would say 80,000 for now. 80,000 kind of my line in the sand, but we'll see. Now, how about that Solana trade? My God. 5% yesterday, guys? Whew. Damn, Daniel. Damn. That was juicy as ever. Taking the trade, showing the trades. That's the one, man. Account, where we at? I think we made 26 yesterday. 26, 27, 35,000. Good work, man. We're up 20. We're up 20 in 2 weeks, man. We're up 20 and change in 2 weeks, which is great. Unreal. Happy days. Happy days, my friends. Happy days. So, account looking good. One red day. Tuesday was our red day. That's fine. Humble pie is always a very good recipe, you know. keep kicking ass, taking names. Bitcoin trying to push up here. Uptrending momentum. Not tracking it. I should be tracking it. On the way up here. Looking steady. Freddy, man. Steady Freddy. Up, down, all around. Quite choppy. But, you know, another bullish push. If we're zooming out and taking a look at where we've gone and how we're getting there, right? Because we always want to kind of look at this, right? So we're coming into this supply zone, this order block zone, right? The behavior in here is going to be interesting. In order to retest, I would say lows in here around 80,000. Funnily enough, there's your 80,000 mark. Okay, and then retesting this volume node in here. So I'm not trying to get you guys all super bullish, but you know you're going to hit resistance coming up into 85 here. You know if you pull the volume throughout all of this junk in here, you got major resistance around 84. Okay, 84 is where I would be looking, and we have all this mapped out for us, prepared anyways. The gang is always ready, man. Look, like, I mean, we got levels all the way up to the top, man. We ready, baby. We got levels all the way down to the bottom. We even have a bear market. I don't know if we get here, but the bear case here. We got the $20,000. This shows you the history of this channel. Back in my day, I used to walk uphill to school, downhill to work, and then back up the hill to school and down again. Whatever. You know those old guys telling you their stories. So where do we get to, right? Obviously, for me right now, it's about patience. As usual, you guys are probably bored of me hearing saying patience. And guess what? We took the we had our stream yesterday. We didn't take a single trade on our stream after the Discord live stream, but then I saw Solana really, you know, and we all got long on Solana. And I mean, if you got long with us on Solana, you made 5% yesterday. That's a massive move we caught to $90. I said Solana's going to 90, and we all caught that. So Thursday cha-ching. Who caught that? Let me know in the chat if you caught that Solana long yesterday, guys. Pretty incredible. Pretty incredible. Good work. And if you didn't, there's always more. We have a pretty big spoon in this family, so good job, everybody. We'll see where we get to today. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. We got a whole plethora of you on here, 170 people here. What's going on? We'll see if we do continue to push here. Holding VWAP, trying to push up. Big escape from VWAP, returning golden pocket VWAP, holding and trying to push back up here. So locally right now, pretty aggressive rollover. But you can expect these, when price is pushing up, they're naturally going to push up, grab liquidity, and then retrace hard into all the late longs. Okay, that's typically how it goes. So you'll have the escape, right? You'll have a sweep and a dump, grabbing these guys, and then you'll consolidate and then continue up. Our job is to try to catch these guys here. Okay, just like what happened yesterday on Solana. We were all preparing for the long on Solana. Solana had to do a little humble pieing first, right? So we're preparing for the long up here, but Solana did some humble pieing, and then you wait for this, and then you get going, and that's where you make the cha-ching. Okay, very simply. But I caught it, stopped out. However, okay, good job. At least you caught it. I hit this so long, caught. Let's go, baby. What's going on, Dusty? Good to see you, man. George, hopefully you're doing well, man. God bless. Crypto, good morning. VR, good morning, man. Otter, gang. Army Piper, man. How you doing, bro? I'm sad you're not coming to Vegas. But you are coming up to see me in Canada in October, is it? September, October, November? In the fall. Let's say in the fall. autumn. What's going on, Rain? Good to see you. Lorelai, good to see you. How you doing? Good morning. Curtis Hill, Shunts, let's go. Yesterday saved my weekly P&L. I'm assuming you caught the Solana long. That's all I'm assuming. Shunts, congratulations. I'm glad it saved your week. Let's be patient out here. Rebellious, Curtis Hill, Shrian, Ando, Poncho, my man. What's going on? Jojo, Mojo, Steve Hickey, G1. Good morning. Good to see a proof of work, man. Thank you for being here. Love seeing Grandpa, says Dusty. Yeah, I was talking to No yesterday. He feels like he's in jail because it's been a it's been a long winter for him. He just wants to get out into the garden, and start poking at plants and stuff, in his fedora and his lab coat. Good old, my grandfather's a very Italian old man. Love him to death, though, man. He's the man. Yes, we are. Honda Man, good to see you. Eero, Jojo, Johnny. Good morning, guys. Honda Man, Paul, how you doing? Happy Friday, Chantel. Let's go, Chantel. Chantel be printing as well. Welsh Jesse, KR, Rashad. Good morning, Jay Becker. God bless. Sounds all right. Like number 8, Crypto Catbread, good to see you. Yuan, good morning. Tom, Andrew Cameron, my man, how you doing, bro? Buck Buchanan, Mr. Buck, the man. Buck, are you coming to Vegas? I haven't had confirmation on that. Do I got to take you golfing too? Ryan Smith, good to see you. Who's coming to Vegas? Are we gonna have a whole? What is a group of otters called? A gang, man. Come on, Piper. 80K conservative target, aggressive target's 96. So that's your 80K is your previous yearly pivot. 96, I think, is your 96 is your this year's pivot, isn't it? No pivots. Let's see. So we'll go yearly here. We'll go yearly. Our yearly pivot is all the way up here at 96. Yeah. And our previous yearly pivot, go back in time, guys, is 80. Isn't it? Yeah, 80. Here we are, 80. I should mark this out as well. Yearly pivot. What? Middle. On top, baby. To the right. Yes. Okay. And we put that into our 100,000. Oh, we got a big old 117. No, 100,000. 94 to 1. There we are. Because I got levels all the way up, guys. Yeah. Should be interesting. I don't know. Like, I don't want to. So when you start to get going, right, and everybody getting bullish, right, this is when you got to be cautious, okay? When everybody getting bullish, you got to be very cautious here. This is when you get humble pied very quickly. Okay, not a lot has changed. Not a lot. Okay, so be aware that you could be getting trapped right now. Okay, you could be getting trapped. I don't know if we're out of the, all-time highs for the SPY. NASDAQ flying off the wazoo. Doesn't give a crap. Just up only. Yeah. Very nice. Oil dumping. Oh, baby. Gap down. Big gap down. Big gap energy. But the SPY, man, the way the SPY has moved up, man, you're typically looking to come back down to this shit. I'm sorry to say it, but these gaps do get filled. Okay? As much as I want to be like, we're going to Valhalla. You guys will be able to get out break even on the altcoins that you should have sold. Right? Did I hit a chord there? I know I hit a chord there. Those who are still holding, you're just like, let me get out break even and apologize to my wife. You got to know your audience, man. You got to know your audience. Put a 1 in the chat if that's kind of you. Along those lines. I bet you that's you. Good to see you, Jax. Good to see you, Honda Man. Froth Dog, my man. Yeehaw. Pod Gamer, what's going on? JR, Tool. Why is up only Bitcoin for the last months? Yeah. It's catching a bit, man. Cut the fluffer going down. A raft. It's called a raft, okay. I like a richer, yeah. Trace, good to see you. Johnny Ashunts, good morning. I hit that so long, Trace. Hoto, good afternoon. Awesomeness. Omar, Jason, good morning, guys. Thank you for being here. Crypto Jung, Xiong. Let's go. Rush, Ben, Sani, Daniel. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Alexandra G, much love to you. Roth Trader, good to see you, man. Belkin, missed a long damn. Ryan Smith, Randy, M4. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Cool, Mar, Paf. Good morning, Randy. Happy Friday, everybody, man. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for hanging out here. M4, Kristen, Roth, B-Rad, Jesse Haluk, Wayne C. What kind of sandwich on a Friday did you get, Wayne? Did you get a good one? Did Buck say he's coming to Vegas or not? I was going to say that's just me. Yeah, some people just round tripping, man. Honda. Good morning, good morning. Could you walk us through your reasoning from yesterday's Solana trade? Yeah, absolutely, George. I can walk you through it very easily. Nippy to the... I heard about that, Nippy. I think... All right. So what's with the Solana trade, and why did the whole gang get the spoon feeding of Solana yesterday? So you go to my TA section, you can see the talk through. We finished the live stream. Right. See if we can snatch a runner. Okay, I've taken a couple longs on Sol. See if I can snatch me a runner. Okay. Sol looking for 90. Okay, Sol is looking for 90. I said here. Okay, so we're looking for retest continuation. We're looking for that runner, right? This is the idea. How you participate is up to you. So I gave you guys the big swing trade. We pulled back and we bounced, right? So we're looking for 93 maximum, but we're looking for 90 has been called. Okay. I said it could end up looking like this. So it comes down and then it bounces, right? So we're looking for this. We're looking for this. And then kaboom. Okay, kaboom. Now, and then the spoons come out, man. The spoons come out, and then everybody's P&L sharing, which I love to see, like Solana, Lana, right? Solana, Lana, all you guys sharing your Solana, Lana, and the gang was all very well fed yesterday, right? Very well fed,
All right, you guys, here's some more. Dive in. Look at all these happy faces. Squeak, squeak. Good job, little ones.
I can't help it, man. So what's the thought pattern here, right? So when we look at this, we can see Solana's ripping. So Solana swept the highs, deviated from the highs, so faked out. We have the ascending triangle, right? It faked out. It swept all the liquidity all the way down to my key level down here. So red to red is something that I trade quite often on Solana when it's ripping. We have the break and we're overextended to the upside, but we can see throughout here that Solana is outperforming Bitcoin heavily, okay? Heavily, which means that if Bitcoin's going to continue up, which I did some TA on Bitcoin, that we're going to look to trade Solana instead of Bitcoin, because Solana, we recognized actually at the beginning of the week, got shafted by our beautiful Bitcoin price action. So we can see what happened here in the beginning of the week. So we were all monitoring Solana here, and Bitcoin was holding and holding and holding, where Solana got absolutely decimated here, okay? And I was talking to, I believe, Mike in our Discord too, about how Solana needs to come back up to parity to Bitcoin. So it needs to come back within this range kind of deal in order to be bullish. Now we can see yesterday when we get into the chart, very simply, that Solana starts to outperform Bitcoin. So you start to see this massive push and accumulation, right? So this is yesterday at 10:30, right? At 10:30, we go over to Solana, right? And we look at Solana at 10:30. What has happened? So we're in this environment here at 10:30. So we can see that Solana is starting to rip and outperform Bitcoin. So now our job is, how do we participate safely? Well, naturally, we're looking for breakout, retest, continuation, trade in here. Okay, naturally. So that's the idea. You're just finding a bottom and looking for the continuation trade. Okay, and through that, you're able to take advantage of this move here, which is that 5% juiciness. Okay, now you can see it's losing its steam against Bitcoin, right? Underperforming. So we don't look for it anymore. But when we have those opportunities on things that I trade, like Solana, we can take advantage of them, right? And in this case, I mean, we caught a 5% move all the way up to a key level of resistance, right? The target-wise, when we're looking for targets, well, we're looking to trade into imbalances. So when we look at this chart here, right, you can all see the big ass ascending triangle, the head and shoulders right here. Okay, here's your head and shoulders, big ascending triangle, trying to break out and continue. Where's the imbalance in this chart, right? Well, my next red line is from here to here. We have a fair value gap to be filled here and a pink box, right? So where are we heading, right? Red to red, right? Red to red. And that's where we targeted 90, right? If we were going to come all the way higher and rip like very aggressively, we would have looked to take the liquidity of the highs. That was the second target if we were going to get there, okay? So that's kind of how I put it together. Just pattern recognition, understanding how assets move, taking a very liquid asset like Solana, which I trade quite often, if you couldn't tell. For those who are new, I typically trade Solana mostly when it's outperforming Bitcoin. And, you know, you just get more juice for the squeeze. You get a little bit less fees. You make a little bit more money in general, but you got to know how to trade the asset, right? So that's basically how it was set up. And, I mean, the execution was key, right? We could see that we had bullish continuation out of the lows, right? So we swept the lows yesterday, and then we pushed up, retest, continuation out. This retest here on Solana was juicy, right? We had the level on Bitcoin too, right? We had this level down here on Bitcoin that we were looking for, down into here for our golden pocket, and continuation up. So you could have taken Bitcoin. I think some people in our Discord took Bitcoin for the retrace. And then if we look at that level at 74, that was just a golden pocket retracement continuation trade as well, okay, which we also had for Bitcoin. So just prepared and aware in this market. You're going to have runners, and this isn't bull market. This isn't even bull market trading. This is just understanding that when things... I was in a set. I think the key is that I was pissed off about missing. So I shorted here and only made $14. I closed it early the other day. I showed the Discord. I made $14. And this was after a bad Tuesday. So I was in tilt basically, and I didn't hold my trade here on Solana. And this was, yet again, this was a 4% move. So this is like $4,000 typically, right? 3-4 grand. So I knew that Solana, that's where we got beaten up against Bitcoin, where Bitcoin stayed flat in here, and then the recovery happened. So I've been looking at Solana like, you owe me, you owe me some money. So So yeah, I gave Solana a little slap yesterday, and everybody did, which is great. Bitcoin up only right now. No trade right now. Waiting for violence, guys. So coming into Friday here, thank you everybody for being here and supporting the channel. This thing's just ripping to the upside. I believe CryptoFace is long in here. I was on his live stream for a bit there. I think he's long here, which makes sense. Continuation up and coming into our golden pocket retracement level as we speak, guys. As we speak. Very bullish momentum here. Looking good. So far coming into 8:30. Look at this thing. Ripping. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. My God. This is looking juicy. Juicy. Juicy, juicy profits. Juicy, juicy gang. But yeah, good times, man. Good times. Lots of spoon feeding. Everyone bullish and random alt popcorn, yeah. Okay, price is just jumping around. What's going on, V Monitor? Good to see you. Not going to make it to the conference this year. Okay. We might want to skip golfing on Sunday morning. There's an absinthe show on Saturday night that Jimmy wants to go to. Uh-oh. I don't do absinthe or whatever that is. Well, let me know, man. I'm going to be golfing, bookending my trip. So if you want to come, just let me know, man. Even Bruise Long is up 25% on silver. I mean, it's not just me, guys. Bruise Long is flying. I think FJ, yeah, comp is up. TP5. Okay, TP5. HRJ. TP1. I mean, it's just, you need TP for your bunghole. I mean, there's too many TPs to be taken. Let's go, baby. You guys just got rejected off Golden Pocket. What's going on, wifey? Good to see you. Wifey, you coming to the Bitcoin? It seems like no one's coming to the Bitcoin conference this year. You guys are all bears. Let's go, baby. Good morning, everybody. Nice push here. Well, this is volatile. Did we get any like tweet or anything, guys, or what? What's going on with this thing? Any news? Any news? I ain't the news guy. What's going on, Michelle? Good to see you. Trump announced extension of ceasefire. Oh, great. Trump, Truth Social. Let's see. Two minutes ago. USA is the hottest country in the world right now. Just a short time ago, under Sleepy Joe Biden, it was dead. Laughed all over the world, but not anymore. Nobody's laughing. I don't know what's going on with this. Expiration day today. Continuation up here. Look at all you guys crushing these trades. Long, long, long. Good job on the longs, guys. GG's all throughout. No trades right now. Showing the trades, taking the trades every single day. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out. 300 people here. Pressing buy and sell on a daily basis. Kicking ass, taking names. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. See if Bitcoin wants to continue to fire off here. Pretty wild start to the day. A little bit of a aggressive push continuation here. Looking to fly, baby. Looking to fly. Can we get going? Solana needs to flip this as well. NASDAQ. Chase. Why even bother, guys? This is just up only, baby. My God. Into Friday. Big pump, baby. Big pump. The ES is ripping. Everything's ripping, guys. I don't know why. Besides, the war is ending kind of narrative. We'll see. We'll see. Kind of late to the party here for the long, so got to get up at 4 for the dump. Holding VWAP continuation up here, looking strong. Congrats on your longs. We'll see where we get to today. It's going to be a fun one, I think. Friday pump or Friday dump. How has everybody's trading been this week? Are we up? Are we down? What do we got here? 37% up. Some people got wrecked. Break even, down. Okay, normally we're around 40% up, which is good. So we're close to that. These YouTube polls are good because you guys get to be honest without disclosing that you're struggling. If you're up this week, you're one of the few. Understand that. Do I have a signal? Oh, yeah. Here you go. Here's my signal group right here. Kaboom. There's the signal to off. Because most people aren't profitable. I'll tell you that much. A lot of people think, trading's hard. It's a privilege to sit here and click buttons on a chair. I've recognized that when I've gone on losing streaks, which happens to everyone. Right? It happens. Sometimes you're not seeing it, or sometimes the environment changes and you don't adapt to it, right? We always have pumped in April to early May. Same pattern every 4 years. Since Russell. Okay. I'm pulling at the statistics, man. And the statistics say that 90% of traders fail. All right? 90%. I think it's even higher than that. Let's ask Grok. What does Grok say? How many day traders are profitable? What does Grok say? What is your odds, guys? 1,300 gains locked in? Jesse, come on, man. What kind of leverage you using, bro? No way. You cranking that leverage, man. 90, 70. That's kind of skewed here. Data consistently shows that 70 to 97% lose money over time, with only a small fraction achieving consistent gains after fees, commissions, and taxes. Okay. 13% maintain consistent profitability over 6 months. Only 1% succeed consistently over 5 years or more. Only 1% 5 years or more, guys. That's crazy. That's crazy. Is it bad to use higher leverage to build a bag to work with? Yes. Your job is to risk 1% per trade and compound your account. That is your job. If you're new to trading, your job is to this is how I started. I had $1,000. I turned that 1,000 into 2,000. I turned that 2,000 into 3,000. But I risked $10 to make $30. I missed $20 to make $60. I risked $30 to make $90. Okay, and eventually I built that account over time, over months and months and months. I think it took me 9 months in total to build that bag up to 100K. Okay, and then from there, I risked 300 to make 900 for 3 years. That was me all day, every day. Right? And I would typically make anywhere between 300 and $1,000 a day. That was me. Guys, this is good money. Don't get it twisted. But this was my trade setup forever. Ask anybody who's been here for a while. 300 to make 900, 44x leverage, $100,000 trades. 1%, risking 0.3%, 300. That's why my setup's like this, guys. Right? I made it down to a science. This was my setup forever. 300 to make 900 every single day. $100,000, 44x leverage. Okay? That was my trade setup for years until the top of the bull run. And ask my tax guy. The profits were juicy last year. So that's how we roll. But you will ruin yourself if you try to do this fast. I promise you. If you try to do it fast, you'll ruin yourself. That's why I always tell you guys to be patient. Wait for your setups. I mean, we have golden pocket rejection right now. Am I taking the trade? No, because we pushed up into it violently. There's no reason for me to take this trade. There's no confirmation of a reversal yet. Right? I could win here. I could potentially win here, right? But, like I said, high probability trade setups over and over again, right? Not FOMO because we have a big wick into a key area, right? Happy Friday, everybody. Do you have a video in the Discord on the subject? Absolutely. Absolutely. I tell you how I did it. I tell you exactly how I did it. It's in here. Fibonacci, order blocks, starting with $1,000. Where is it? It's in here. How to trade, bias, down only. Scalp mastery. Starting with 1K all over again. What to do. There you go. In the must videos. It's in, everybody should be watching every video in the must area. If you've watched them, you've got it. There's over 150 videos in there. Throughout. Okay, in the must videos, there's probably 15, 20 videos. I mean, is 15, 20 videos that hard to do, guys? If you're serious about changing your trading in your life, I tell you all my secrets. I can't click the buttons for you, though. I can't. I can show you how I click the buttons. I can't give you my discipline. I can't give you my risk management. I can't tell you how to be wrong fast. You got to learn how to do these things. So half of the people who are trading with $1,000 should be trading with $10, $100 first, and getting used to that. Reading the market, executing, then add the money. But nobody wants to do that, right? What changed for me is your time horizon. If you look at this for how you've been trading today, if you're looking, oh, yesterday I sucked. Okay? If you look at this as the week, last week it was shit. I lost $1,000. If you look at this at the month, that month was horrible, right? But if you look at this in the year, and you try your best to compound your account over time, this will change your mindset. Small wins, small losses over time, right? If you can make $100 a day, $100, that's almost $40,000 a year, US. For some people, that's life changing, and you can build off of that, right? But a lot of people, I suck this week. Well, I suck. I've lost 40 grand in 1 week. Whoop-de-fucking-do. I've also made 150 in a month, right? So what's your time horizon, right? I think the Discord provides the value to change that learning curve more than half, right? A community to ask questions, to clarify certain things with good instructors. I mean, I've been teaching for 4 years as well, right? So it's very important. I'm really not interested in trading up top here. I need you to come down here, baby. NASDAQ cooling off, which is good. ES is vertical, meaning we're getting a big gap up pre-market here for the SPY into Friday. This is going to be a fun open. Should be good. I'm excited. Incredible Solana trade, guys, yesterday. Incredible. Incroyable. And we're up just over 9,500 this week, which is great. Slow and steady, winning the race. What's going on, Randy? Good to see you. How would you make 100 per day? 100 per day. Well, you have to do the math for yourself. But really, what is your trade setup? What is your account size, right? Maybe 100 per day is too much. So if you want to risk, let's say, 30 to make 90, I would say that would be your 100 per day level, right? So that means you need a account, $3,000 account, right? 30 to 90, right? So you need a $3,000 account, and let's say you're looking to take 3 trades a day, right? That would be where I would say you're looking to make $100 a day, right? Does that make sense? And let's say you're 2 for 1 every day. You win 2, you lose 1, right? You win 2, you lose 1, so that's 150. You make 150 if you take 3 trades with good risk management, and you win 2 of them. That's a great win rate, right? 60 plus 65 win rate, right? That's great. That's great trading. If you manage your risk, you can be profitable. You have to be a good loser, though, right? So uptrending momentum here, looking to be broken, in my opinion. We'll see. Holding the lows, trying to push out right now. Bitcoin climbing, SPY, or ES, sorry. ES is flying right now off the wazoo. We got cooling down on the NASDAQ. Overall looking bullish, though. Consolidation, continuation here for Solana. I don't like it in the middle of the range right now, so that's a no touchy for me. And Bitcoin trying to push out right now. So patience here, everybody, in my opinion. So thank you, everybody, for being here as well. Supporting the channel. Slapping that like button. Not enough likes. I'm going to go and say good morning to my family. Hopefully you all enjoy the top blasting, pre-long, good stuff here. Happy Friday, everybody. Incredible day. I'm trying not to be I'm trying not to be that guy yesterday with all the dirty jokes. Top blasting. Otter gang, gang, let's go.
Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't wanna stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by week, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, that candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Hunting my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure, waiting for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a rally, the big V whack slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto want us to jam. That's the plan, but top lesson trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. But let's crypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, vibes. Yeah. Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet. Yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't wanna stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the retest or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct by week, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wagon chair, yeah, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, that candle was quick. Market makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Hunting my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure, waiting for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an underpambe, don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. Be the turtle, slow and steady, that's the race. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a rally, the big V whack slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto want us to jam. That's the plan, but top lesson trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes, join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. But let's crypto, talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, vibes. low and the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Van bass like my wallet, yo, stay true to the digital. All the gang, 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 let's go. I walked away for a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't wanna stop. I felt the FOMO rising, yeah, I felt the itch. Thinking I was pre-rich, about to get rich. I ignored the bearish Steve on the market side for B just to degenerate. Yeah, that was me. I didn't wait for the reaches or the golden pocket tap. I just market on it in, walk right into the trap. I'm top blasting, yeah, I'm blasting the top. Enticing buyers in before the big drop. Top blasting, buying high and selling low. Direct buy wick, put on a gong show. Top blasting, I didn't pay myself. Now I'm round tripping trades, bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should've clicked sell. Top blasting the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wank chariot.
That's an expensive coffee long. Jeez. Holy. You should put a small amount on the coffee longs. Honestly, I'm gonna probably start doing it. What the fuck? That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Oh my god. These coffee longs are crazy, man. Someone's got to do the back testing on the coffee longs. We got to be like probably 4 for 5 this week. Jeez, take my money. Take my money and run. There is no golden pocket, guys. There is no second best. Wild, man. Happy Friday, everybody. This is crazy. What a great week so far. Everybody a little bit happier with a little bit of pumpage going on in the markets. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I mean, look at this, man. Something's up. Oh, big time, big time, big time. Bitcoin ripping. Bitcoin ripping, baby. Let's see where we get to. Congratulations if you got long. Jeez. ES flying. Oh, buddy. Come on. Out. Out, please. My son is trying to break into my office again. My son is trying to break in. Sorry. I had to run and make sure he didn't. Oh, what's going on here? Did I hit something? Where's my tabs? What? Where's the tabs at the top? Hello? My God, this thing is flying. What the heck happened with my trading view here? Where's the tabs at the top? Did I full screen this thing or something like that? What button did I hit? I'm missing my tabs now. F11, thank you. My son was about to run in and be on camera, so I had to I hit the panic mode button there. Bitcoin to the moon. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Coffee long printing. Coffee long absolutely printing. This is awesome, guys. Solana ripping. Continuation trade here. Continuation trade here into 9 o'clock. GG's, everybody. And thank you, Uncle. I appreciate it, man. Pull the power cable and end the stream. Yeah, I was taking my coffee break and he has a mini basketball net. He's obsessed with it, man. I'm like, bro, I'm 5'4". Don't get your hopes up, man. I love ball, but I mean, you're kind of better off to try and play hockey. Just saying. He can play whatever he wants, so as long as he's happy. right? We're pre-rich. Let's go, baby. This thing is pumping. Pumping, pumping, pumping all throughout here. Retest on Solana, potential continuation trade here. Let's see if we do get it. Chop at the top, looking strong though. Very strong continuation here. Hopefully everybody's having a beautiful morning. Gotta love the pump. Gotta love the pump, man. This is good. This is good. We'll see. We'll see where we get to. Not going to be top blasting this thing, though. I mean, we could look for pullbacks and continuations, but we'll see. Nice push. Overextended continuation trade. That coffee long printed, eh? Jeez. Coffee long, 0.7% all the way up. Solana continuation, Bitcoin continuation, up only trading right now. So we're looking for a pullback continuation trade right now. Just trying to be patient here. Thank you guys for being on the live stream. Bitcoin has no chill this morning, which is good. Got a whole bunch of longs in here. Do you have any TP zone for Solana long? If you're long on Solana, yeah, you're looking to get up to $90 again. $90 is a critical level. Okay, if you are long in here, or the liquidity of this high in here. If you're going swing high to swing low, you would be looking to come back into 786. So you could be looking 89 here, the highs here, and then 90 if it's going to follow through here. That's where I'd be looking locally. If you're in like a more of a swing long, I think 93 is one of my levels. 93.50. Hopefully that helps. Why do you find the Alex videos on Discord? Where do you find them on Discord? You go into family lessons. It's a big chunk here. Family lessons. Bonus videos, must videos, general trading, VWAP, SFPs, orb, Fibonacci, order block, structure, volume, market cipher, mindset, Brewberry's videos, family live streams, and the strategy review videos that we've been doing. Silver's flying. Let's go. Silver is flying. Yes, it is. Silver is flying. Brewberry gave a long on that, yeah. Let's go, baby. Discord's printing, man. Discord is printing. I love it. We got a spoon feed right here on the oscillator too. Poof, all the way up. Beautiful. Continuation here for Bitcoin. No stop, no chill. This thing's just ripping to the upside here. No trade right now. Thank you guys for being here. Hopefully you've all caught that long. Wild times, man. Go straight into the Discord on Fridays as well. Happy Friday. Good times, man. Good times. The ES is absolutely melting faces right now, guys. It's melting. Melting, melting, melting. NASDAQ too. Solana too. I mean, heck, some people may be long off of the setup from the Solana long we gave yesterday. They still might be looking for that 93. They might still be in this. Is anybody from the Discord still in this, man? I took profits at 90. Closed my trade, but damn, this is... We're entering here, so I mean, if you guys are still in this, got a runner going. Juicy times. All right, so this is starting to be an active fib level here. So I'm not so concerned about that now. I'll be looking here. Liquidity in the low as well. Continuation here for Biddy. I got into Bitcoin instead yesterday. Got a very small runner going. Nice. Good to see you, Steve Hickey, Ryan Smith, Bruce Long up 90%. Let's go, baby. Let's go, man. Piper might not be able to sell his silver. We'll see. We'll see. Passage of vessels through the Hormuz Strait will be on the coordinated route as already announced by the ports. Second round of U.S.-Iran peace talks are expected in Pakistan this weekend, likely on Sunday. U.S. oil below $85, which is good. U.S. considers $20 billion cash for uranium deal with Iran. Huh. Billion. 20 billion, or is that trillion? I don't know. The numbers are too big here, guys. Is that trillion or billion? Wait, 1,000 millions is a billion. So that's 20 billion, right? Man, they got to stop printing money. My math is not equipped for this money printing, man. Thank you, guys. SFP of the high now. SFP of the high. Dump it, baby. Dump it. Come on, man. Give me an entry. Coming into market open. We got half an hour still. This thing doesn't care. I'm long. I'm going to take a very small long on Solana. I give it some wiggle room. We'll see. Very small. Like small energy here. We can add to this trade if we want to. For now, we'll see. We'll see if we come back down a little bit lower. I've only put 40,000 on this. I can put up to 100 and another 200 on this if I want. We'll see. We're currently long on Solana. Oh, coming right down now. We're currently long here on Solana. Like this. Looking to get up to the highs. ES continuing to rip. Solana, bounce. I'll let you know if I add to the trade. We'll see. Laddering in. Participating safely, guys. Don't be silly. Wrap your willy. On a Friday. Let's go. Let's see if we can go, man. We are participating safely on the Solana trade right now, and we'll see if we just want to continue up. This is like an eighth of a position size right now. So we'll see. We'll see if we can rotate to the highs. Chillin' trade. Making crypto. Oh my God, this is when it becomes like stupid easy money. Like you don't need a lot to make money. You just need to get with trend and like lazy river trade. That's what I call it. The lazy river trades. Compounding accounts, man. This is like you just get with trend. You jump on. You let it do its thing. And you can make good money. Especially with trending bullish markets, right? Oh, front ran. Okay. It just wants to give me more money. That's fine. Gotta go. Gotta go. It's not going. Okay, TP hit. Leave it to run. A very micro penis trade this morning so far. It's all right. I mean, it's just ripping, man. I don't want to put a 1 in the chat if you're long with me. Push Bitcoin, ya nambe pambe. Lazy River Trading, baby, with AlexOCrypto. All right, I'm out 75% there. Up a quick 70. I mean, easy money. Easy money. You don't have to be you know, if it wants to roll over, cool. You're not risking that much money. There's ways to take these trades that are like, you got to giggle a little bit, man. Why are you long the top? There's a way to do it, and there's a way not to do it, right? Our stop loss is at entry now. We only got $3 grand on the trade. If it wants to come back and stop me out, whoop-de-do-da-day, right? There's ways to top blast and make money. We got breakout, retest, continuation trade. Looking to fly up here, take the liquidity out of the highs. This is why we're buying the top right here. It's because it's fucking ripping, man. Right? All right. Right? Right? Is this why we bought the top, everybody? Okay, I'm out. Boom. $200. $200. GG's. That's why you buy the top. Oh, man. Can we get GG's in the chat, everybody? GG's. GG's. Taking the trades, showing the trades. That was easy. You know what really convinced me here is the ES was bouncing. So we had the dump on the ES, and then we had the bounce here. Close the trade. No trades now. Out of the trade. Happy days. Into the next one. Oh, man. Everybody's getting a good old top blast right now, man. Everybody's getting that Friday top blast. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Pump song. Pump it, baby. Otter. Gang. Gang. Gang.
Olive gang, 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 gang. Let's go.
Fucking Friday, baby. We all pre-rich, right?
Pump it, push it up, pump it, push it
Dave
up.
Digital is short, Vegas. Dave Digital is short. Put ones in the chat. Otters in the chat. Let's go, baby.
Web slap.
No, no, no.
Give it a slap for rally. Boy Lana. Off the floor. Ray Orbison. Kicking down the door.
Yeah, baby.
Buttons.
We printing.
Make money. Click buttons. Make money. Make
They
money.
digital short.
Don't top blast. Don't top blast. Take the money and run. Pay yourself fast. Don't top blast. Don't top blast.
Let's go, baby.
Money and run. Pay yourself fast. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Don't be a nappy poppy. Pump it up. Coffee warm. Coffee long. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Better sit low when the chips low. Pocket fat. Watch a Raleigh grow. Fit the party like a disco.
Hopefully this weekend I'll get all these videos with the music uploaded, so we have the playlist. Oh, there, Ross Trader's asking. Yeah, I'll get it all uploaded this weekend. I'll make that a priority. Up 200 today to start the day. Top blasting. Great job, everybody.
Making crypto honest again. Making crypto honest again. All the gang, gang, gang.
Gang, gang, gang. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again, yet again. Bitcoin flying, baby, into Friday. Beautiful pump this morning, everybody. Coffee trade printing. Solana trade printing. We're printing, you're printing. We're all happy. Happy days, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. If you are enjoying this, 435 people, if you wouldn't mind smashing that like button, sharing this out, subscribing if you're new, all that good stuff. Good times, man. Lots of fun. This is always fun, man. Happy Friday, everybody. It's nice to hit a nice trade on Friday. If you do want to support the channel and hang out here and all that stuff, we have an exclusive AlexOCrypto deal with deposit bonuses, VIP 3 for 6 months. Consider using the link pinned in the comments. I would appreciate it. The best deal in Bitunix, so use that. Trusted exchange. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and hanging out here. If you do want to take your trading further, join the Mo Discord, man, where we be printing on a daily, man. Very grateful for everybody being here, and thank you guys for using the link and supporting the channel as well. God bless you guys. This has been a fun day so far. Happy Friday. Hopefully you've all had a wonderful week. If you're not having a wonderful week, well, we're here to hopefully make it better. Printing, baby. Printing. So, taking the trades. Good fun. Coming into market open, we got a rip up on everything right now. So everything's looking hella bullish, which means caution, right? We top blasted this morning safely using only like an 8th position size, making a couple $100 to start the day, which is always a great day to start the day with a nice W. And, I mean, this has been up only, so beautiful trading here. Coming into some resistance. I mean, what is resistance right now? Bitcoin does not give two smacks. We're almost at $77,000 Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Solana hitting those key levels as well, man. Beautiful pump this morning. Good job, everybody. Good job. Dave Digital is short, but he's short on oil. I really like the Bitunix. I do too, man. It's I've used every exchange, man, and the liquidity on Bitunix is good. The pre-setups you can have. I mean, you can trade stocks as well, Tesla and Google and all that in a video. Incredible. Incredible. Oil's dying. Okay, oil is dying. Fill in the gap here on oil, finally. Big gap filler. Oil back down to 80. Big head and shoulders, guys. Look at that head and shoulders, man. You ain't got to be rocket scientist. Here we are, breaking down. Boom, 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 boom. And NASDAQ vertical. Pullbacks are for buying, coming into resistance as we speak right now. Congratulations on your gains, everybody. Solana long taken live with everybody. Great job, everybody. Everybody printing. Hopefully giving you guys some of that beer money for this weekend. All you beer money drinkers. I mean, I don't drink, but hopefully you guys are. Hopefully you guys got some beer money, man. CME cap on oil. Dusty, it's Friday. I'm not going to mute you, but I'm going to mute you anyways. Dusty, that word is not welcome, even to you. And how much I love you. Dusty, you have been muted. Oh, man. Wild pump, guys. Wild pump. Solana ripping. Good fun. Okay, 13 minutes till market opens. This is an incredible stream. Today, guys, we had a fucking hell of a laugh. I will swear, a hell of a laugh yesterday. I don't know what the we were talking about, but it was something. It was something. We were definitely hitting those construction jokes all day yesterday, and now today it's another plethora of fun. Today we hitting trades, man. Good job, everybody. Nice sweep up here. Continuation up. Solana doesn't care, man. Look at that trade, guys. Phenomenal. ES ripping, oil dying. Everybody who didn't catch the trade feeling the FOMO. Why would you buy the top was the question, guys. So there's ways, like when markets are ripping to the upside, right? There's ways to get in on these pullbacks like we did here. Okay. Safely, right? Like we're just trying to go up the lazy river, guys. We're just trying to take this lazy river trade here. We don't want to risk too much because there's always the opportunity for us to come back down. But when we can see bullish momentum on the ES, on the NASDAQ, oil dumping, Solana holding on, Bitcoin ripping, we just want to participate safely, right? We just jump on the river, jump on trend, right? We have rules-based trading for up-only price action that we implement. We know what to look for. In my opinion, this was the slap down that I wanted to see in Solana, right? Because price will move up, it'll consolidate, and then you'll get a slap, and then you'll bounce and go. This is what we're looking for. This is what we got on Solana. How you execute safely is you manage your risk. You give yourself enough wiggle room to let it dump and pump. Okay, so you give yourself enough room. You don't full bore 100% X leverage bullshit. You just jump on, take some money from the market, man. The market is telling you the direction. So your job is to give yourself enough room to jump on the direction. That's it. It's very simple. Okay. And look at that. Up to $90, full profits taken. Iran declares Strait of Hormuz completely open to commercial traffic during Israel-Lebanon ceasefire. Completely open, everybody. And look at that. Full TP hitting on Solana. I should have just left a runner, man. I didn't leave a runner. Oh, well. Oh, well. Great job, everybody. Beautiful trade. Everybody making lots of money, which is all we want, man. Good job. Sports and strap-ons. That's what we were talking about yesterday, yeah? There we go. Did I miss a trade? Yeah. Yeah, we took the Solana trade, man. Right here. I'm sorry if you missed it. If you're just joining late now, that's why you show up early, man. Show up early. The worms were out early this morning. Patricio, good morning. How you doing, man? Staying thirsty, my friends. Straight is open. Straight to the bank is where we're going. You're booking campsites? We booked campsites actually like 3 weeks ago. Continuation in a resistance zone here, guys. I'm clearly not married to the resistance zone here, but we are coming into a block that I was interested in. We got a big supply zone that we're coming into right now, guys. So major resistance here. However, major bullish continuation pushing through right now. So fade it if you want. I am not entering shorts today, I don't think. Probably a bad idea because, you know, after a bullish catalyst in a push like this, you typically want to short this thing and wreck all the late longs, right? Because they're just building liquidity. Naturally, you're going to see this thing slap back and go. I'd just rather wait for this right here. But, I mean, we got into the trade early this morning. Good job, everybody. Full TP is about to be hit. Great work, man. Great work coming for the liquidity of the high here. And Solana flying off the wazoo, baby. Off the wazoo. Whatever that thing is. The wazoo. What was the bullish catalyst? Good news. Straight is open. Oil's dumping. Down 14% today. Early worm gets the bird. That's it. It's got to be a sandworm, though, from Star Wars. Why BTC so high? Because it smoked the reefer. I don't know, man. Littering in. Littering in. Littering in. Smoking the reefer. Stay thirsty, my friends. Let's go, Patricio. God bless you, bro. Let's go, man. We be printing, man. 78K supply zone. Daily naked point of control, bull market support band, and macro golden pocket. It's all there, isn't it? It's all up in here. This is extreme territory for resistance. But, you know, there is no resistance when the catalyst is the catalyst, right? Solana TP hit, man. GG's, everybody. I would like to say GG's to you guys. Another beautiful Solana lana long. Solana lana long, longly long, long, long. Oh, yeah. Here's the GG's for you guys. I will give you your flowers. I got a foot of snow and you're picking strawberries. Let's go, Curtis Hill. Where are you going right now? Yeah, do I look like I need to... Do I drink milk from a saucer? Do I need to get all nibbly dibbly? Look at that, man. 77,000. Here we come, baby. Let's go. Everybody crushing the Solana long. Congratulations, everybody. Coming into market open. We got 5 minutes, man. Oh. Good job, everybody. People in the Discord are printing. Nick, congratulations, man. Green Weeks, let's go. Love to see it, man. Solana doing its thing, baby. Do we all identify as pre-rich? Because this is juicy, baby. Coming for the high right now, market open. Fucking awesome, man. Who wants a mustache ride? You boys like Mexico? What a movie, right? Should have left runners. Yeah, I should have left a runner too, man, but that's fine. Look at Solana, man. Up only, baby. Here we go. All the way to 93 was our other target. Jeez. ES flying. NASDAQ. Warning. Warning. All right, guys. Family chat. Too many P&L cards, guys. Too many P&L cards in the family chat. There's a winner's wall. I'm going to go and delete your shit. 1 down. 2 down. Nick, you know better. You know better, Nick. Posted it. You know better. You guys just too many P&L cards, and you don't want to give. The thing is, a P&L card's great, but you're giving a. Do you realize the psychological effect it has on the other people in the group, right? We want to be considerate. That's why we have a winner's wall, and we expect you to explain your trades in the winner's wall. We expect you to explain your trades. If you want to post them in here, yes. Explain your trades, though. Ryan is just top blasting. You can even say top blasting following AlexOCrypto's trade setup. You can say it like that. But the problem is that, you know, when I first started trading, I would put on 100x leverage trades with 4 cents, and I would make 2 cents, and I would be posting all these cards, okay? Because I needed to feel good about my one win that I got that week, okay? And to me, that's it's not good for your psyche, man. Like, if you want to be successful, it's about taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again, and being honest with yourself, right? If a new person comes into the Discord and they see just green, 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 and they think that's realistic trading, it's not realistic trading. It's not. It's green, red, 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 green, 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 red, 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 green, green, green. Okay? Check it out now, okay? So we must be considerate because trading is hard, okay? It's nice to come on here and brag that we took the long and we made lots of money. And let's all be happy. I'm not trying to be the Debbie Downer on a Friday. I'm just trying to say, man, the new people deserve a real opportunity, right? And that's it. Check it out now. And there's the dump. All right. Breaking down right now. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Sorry for being your Debbie Downer. 488 people here on the live stream, hanging out, taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. We did take the Solana Lana long, and the take profit was actually perfect. Coming back for all those late longers, top blasters. Nasdaq's the tell this morning. ES continues to rip. We'll see big gap up here for the SPY, I'm sure, this morning. Bitcoin hitting some resistance. Can we continue? Or will we go to zero? Good times, man. Slap back down into market open for Bitcoin and Solana. Can we continue? Solana looking good. Push back here. Coming back down. Humble pie for everybody, maybe. NASDAQ rolling over. No signs of getting a bid yet. Still waiting here. Nice push, everybody. Can it continue? NASDAQ still rolling over here, guys. Cautious with the longs. Remember, I said it would be violent on the way back down. Great trade this morning, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We absolutely smashed Solana today. So great work. Looking to come back down into this area here. We got 10 seconds till market opens. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless you all, man. Happy Friday. Nice push for the corn today, baby. 77,000 tap and down. Tweezer top on the 8. We'll see if we do want to continue to push. Overextended on the 12-minute. Coming back down for all these late longs this morning. Great push this morning. Here we go, baby. Let's go. SPY is gapping up, baby. Here we go. Pushing up. Big gap energy. Big gap energy for the SPY this morning. We identify as transparent. Into resistance, continuation, looking for this order block in here. Nice push. Solana coming right back down, giving up those gains from the long this morning. Quick humble pie for everybody. Rotation down. Jeez. Hitting our targets and ripping to the downside, guys. Patience here. Don't be married to the long. Okay, don't be married to the long. No trade anymore. We've gotten out of our trades. That's why we pay ourselves. Taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. We'll see if we do continue here. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, smashing those like buttons. We got 520 people in here taking big trades, kicking ass, whooping ass, taking names, all that good stuff, man. Looking like we are pushing here on the beautiful SPY. Continuation up here. Looking for a bounce potentially here on Solana. Can we keep going, or are we going to get rejected? That is the question into market open here. Things are looking hella bullish this morning. A little bit of patience. Looks like we are getting a bounce here potentially on the SPY. Oil continues to roll over. The Gay of Hormuz is open. Okay, for business. Lots of openings in the Gay of Hormuz. So we'll see if that wants to continue to. I don't know what I'm saying sometimes, guys. I'm just trying to keep you guys updated. All right. Oh, if you are new here, welcome. I'm trying to make crypto honest again, and I'm trying to have a laugh while doing it. That's the hard part, man. Let's see if we can find some more trades today. So far, so good. A little bounce here on Biddy. S&P looking good. A little bit of cool off here on the NASDAQ, so it tells me to be patient here until I see some sort of reversal on the NASDAQ. It tells me that we are coming down right now, and you can see that throughout. Beautiful long trade this morning on Solana off of the low here. Caught the low, zero drawdown all the way up. Now it's coming back to punish all those late longs, so that's why you pay yourselves. Bouncing here off a key level here on Bitcoin. S&P continues to rip 7,100 inbound. Wild times, man. Wild times. Thank you guys for being here. And all I really do ask is, Trump just posted, Iran has just announced that the Strait of Iran is fully open and ready for full passage. That's all yeah. Trump just announced Navy blockade will remain in effect until deal is finalized. This is the Trump market, man. The Trump market. All right. Coming back down, guys. Coming back down. Happy Friday, everybody. What a bunch of chaos. Double top at the highs here into our sell wall. No trade on that sell. Who would want to sell this pump into it, right? Great trades, everybody. Thank you for using the Bitunix link, the VIP3 exclusive AlexOCrypto deal. Thank you for using that as well and being part of the family, joining the Discord, all that good stuff, man. We have this is a fun market lately. I mean, it's punishing if you're not patient. It's very punishing if you're not patient. Okay, a little bit of a bounce here on the DAC. Little bounce on the DAC. Oil. Rotation down. Don't get married to longs right now, guys. I think we need to let this bake a little bit, in my opinion. We'll see. Pushback, continuation down potentially here. Still no trade. One long this morning off of the low here on Solana. Beautiful printage. Good times, man. Good times. NASDAQ. Okay. Weakness here. Rotating down. SPY. Slap and go. Looks strong. SPY looks super strong. Super strong. Super duper strong. Bullish engulfing here on Bitcoin. Trying to push. Solana as well. Trying to push. Order block retest. Continuation up here for Soy Boy Lana. Humble pie across the board here. A little bit overextended in my opinion. Looking like it needs to cool off a little bit. Great trades this morning though. Great trade yesterday. I mean, yesterday we caught a 5% move in the Discord with everybody. We got long here on Solana. If you aren't part of the Discord, we caught this move here in the Discord. Given an advance, cha-ching, everybody kicking ass, taking names, all that good stuff. So, I mean, we've been printing double top here, equal highs on Solana. Breakout, retest, continuation, push here. Trying to go. Overextended on market cipher. Probably doesn't matter. We'll see. Cooling off here into market open. Choppy at the toppy. Can we follow through here? Can we follow through? SPY doesn't care. 7,100. 7,100 has been taken. Wild, my friends. Wild. Solana ramping up again. I would like to see like a sweep and a go. Something like this. Bitcoin 1 minute. Yeah. Same thing here. Trapping longs, in my opinion. We'll see if it does want to come in humble pie one more time. We might not get the humble pie, but it's not for me to long right here, especially during market open. Remain objective and patient here. I got to tell myself that, otherwise I'll click the button. I really want to click the button. Everybody feeling the FOMO? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're long. Put a 3 in the chat if you're long, and put a 4 in the chat if you're short. Because that's how I feel. I don't know how you guys feel, man. We're supposed to not feel, but you guys tell me, man. You guys tell me. I'm 1, 2, and 3 right now. I'm in no trades right now. Ella's short. Everybody, we are getting... The whales are short. Look at these guys. Short. You guys are legends, man. If you're short, you got the cojones. You guys got cojones. I am sitting on my hands. Okay, I am skiing. If you don't understand what we mean, skiing is a term we use here, where you have 2 poles in your hands, okay? Right? You got 2 poles in your hands, and you are unable to touch the keyboard, okay? You're this guy. You are skiing. Are we going to have Friday jokes, man? Skis in the chat? I'm definitely skiing. You can see the emoji gets used here. There was a thumbnail way back of a guy. There's some guy's Bitcoin thumbnail, right? And he got like this big open mouth, and he's got both of his hands, right? Both of his hands on these big girthy green candles, right? He's got the big girthy green candles in both hands, right? I don't know how well my Etch-a-Sketch is going to work here, guys, but I'm going to try, okay? Right? So, some people, they need clicks, man. Some people need you to click on their video, and they'll go to any extent to jeopardize their picture. Imagine your mom comes on, she goes on YouTube, and she sees you with a big girthy green candles all over the, you know? I don't know. Let's see. Let's do a sentiment check here on YouTube. Do we got any skiers out here? All right. No skiers. There's Randy. Oh, see, like Connor. I'm sorry, man, but that's a face, man. Right? Oh, love Piano Matty B. Okay. Oh, there's one. He's got like the whole studio and everything, but he's got the mouse. Ooh, Miles. Miles got the puckered lips, man. Miles, I like you, bro. Trader Main, I love your trading too, man. You can't be making mouths like that, man. This is like the crypto sentiment check. You got to go through and check all these thumbnails and see who's, you got to do this on Twitter as well. All right. Not too bad. Not too bad. Some people really look like they have to go to the toilet though, man. Really got to go toilet. Five minutes till orb. Coming back, retesting highs. Continuation here. SPY looking strong. NASDAQ bouncing, holding lows. Retest to previous highs. Continuation up. Solana also looking strong as well. Doji engulfing. Continuation trade here. Trying to push. No trade yet. Still waiting. I think I've really set the bar high with thumbnails. I think I really got like an original. Over time I've really grown as a person with my thumbnails. Sometimes I'm on fire, like I give the herpes thumbnails. I even tried this one time to like use a pointer. But I've really, there's been times where I have used the open mouse. Okay, guys? Don't get it twisted. There is the, there is the pictures. We make fun of myself, right? Where's Lunar Beaches here? Lunar Beaches loves making fun of me with those pictures. He's got one saved. No trade yet. Still waiting. Here it is. Copy image. Here we go. Here we go, guys. If you want to see AlexO. Oh, my God. Look at how yellow my teeth are. Lunar Beaches made this. This is the original AlexOCrypto thumbnail. Oh, my God. Don't you guys go. Now, if you defame my character with that picture, I will kick you out of the Discord. You will be packing your green candles. Making a new channel. I thought you had to open your mouth in order to get people to click on your video. I didn't know that you just needed to, be honest and bring value to people's lives. I had no clue. Oh. Live and learn. Oh, good fun. All right, trying to push up here. Trapping traders. Orb is in, guys. No trade right now. Coming back, order block tap. Continuation up into resistance right now. Not interested. Just trying to remain patient here. Let this kind of... A lot of the time with the pumps, you got to let it bake a little bit, in my opinion. Gotta let it bake, man. And here we are, right? Here we are. So continuation up, flying off the wazoo. Next stop 77,500 if we are going to continue to rip to the upside. Looking very strong right now. Same with Soy Boy Lana, retest of previous lows, continuation up as well into major resistance. Key levels here. Pink boxing, okay? Pushing up onwards and upwards. Looking strong right now. NASDAQ consolidating sideways here. SPY continuing to climb as well. Big gap energy to the downside here. Oil continues to roll over. Very, very bullish, okay? Strait of Hormuz, Strait of Alex Hormuz is open now, okay? So bullish, guys, bullish. Great long this morning. Great long yesterday on Solana. We've absolutely thrashed this market. Great job, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We had 500 viewers. Now we're at 377. See what we can do with the filtering? We have to scare away certain people because, you know, we don't want to hang out with them. Now you're going to get 1,000 DMs for thumbnail makers. I mean, I get at least 2 a week, Tony. At least 2 a week. I'll make your thumbnails. Your thumbnails suck. That's what they say to me. And I say, I agree with you. That's all I say. You had some buffering? Says my stream is healthy. We had a whole plethora of people drop off, though. We were at 487. Look at this. We were talking. And as soon as we started talking about open mouth thumbnails here, 487 drops to 376. Maybe we had some bots in here. We hit a peak. We peaked at 534, man. Look at that. That's crazy. And then, oh my God, this guy's talking about dicks and candles. We better leave. Guess what? It's still an edge, guys. Right? You know why it's an edge? Because that means that we have less people copying our trades and we're all making money anyway. So who gives a shit, right? They're all long right here. They're all long right at the top here, wishing that they had stayed. But we're going to get dessert. We've already had dinner. We took dinner. We're having dessert now. Hopefully we can all find some more trades here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out this morning. God bless you guys. What's the most I've had on? I've had, I think one FOMC I had like 1,500 people or something stupid. Here for the dicks and candles. That's right, Jimbo. God bless you, Jimbo. Jim, are we going to go golfing in Vegas, man? Please? I'd love to take you, Jimbo. We can pull up in the Lambo. Are you renting the Lambo again, bro? I'll rent one too if maybe I'll rent a Rari and we can just like be pegging each other. We can both be doing the double peg. Right? No new trades. No, not right now. Still waiting. I want this. I need this to bake a little bit right now, guys. I'm not going to just jump in. Yeah, there's no reason. Double bottom here. Sweep of the lows, though. Very aggressive sweep here. Warning sign for Bitcoin right now. Sweep again. Okay. Continuation out here on Bitcoin. Flipping orb. Push out. It's got to go. Looking like it wants to break out. Can it go? Bitcoin looking to pop. Looking to pop, man. I'll be there. We can try. Sure try Lambo first few days. Then going to class you with the rolls. Let's go, man. Let's go, Jimbo. Yeah, I'll be there Saturday till Friday. So if you want to go and play around, man, I'm definitely down. Definitely down, man. We'd love to get out. I'm trying to get Dave to come golf too. I think it'd be fun to watch. Here for Dixon edging up only. Let's go, baby. Up only. Look at this. Bitcoin's flying, baby. Let's go. There we go. Send it. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Long, baby. Long and strong. Getting the friction on. Baby got back. Mm-hmm. Bitcoin flying, man. This is beautiful. I'm in on golf, out on absinthe. Nice longs, everybody. Crypto strong buying, yeah. Looking strong. Bearish divergence in here. $10 from Chris. God bless you, bro. Been out of the game a few months. Last I heard, we were battling the 72K range. Do you think we are above the range now, or could you see another pullback? Money crossover on the daily. Okay. Thank you for the 10, Chris. God bless you, bro. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. No trade right now, guys, so just going to take a look at this for Chris. So on the daily here, looking at Bitcoin, the macro outlook's very simple for me. Okay, we are breaking out. We always have to be aware of the accumulation, manipulation, distribution up at the highs here. Are we going to do this here? That's up to the Bitcoin price action. My target is 84. It has been for a long time. Okay, for a long time. We have the 80,000 yearly pivot as well. So you got two targets in here. You have parabolic uptrend right now, and you also have this breakout. Okay, on the higher term time frames, your key warning is that we are overextended here on the daily, and the 3-day trigger wave to the downside could be printing. Okay, overextended on the higher term time frames means that there could be a retracement continuation trade here. Also on your 12-hour here, you got bear divs all the way up here. Divs don't necessarily work on aggressive moves, as you can see since breaking the lows here. You're looking for continuation, parabolic uptrends. You still have typically one more uptrend after this one, right? So you typically get 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Can we get into here? We'll see. It's pretty vertical right now, so I would be patient, but yeah, you're looking for major resistance in here. My major resistance is 80 and 84. Okay, and hopefully that helps you navigate the charts. And thank you for the $10 super chat, brother. Have a wonderful day. Welcome back. Welcome back, man. This thing is ripping. Lots of people printing, baby. Let's go. Printers be patient, though. Great job today, everybody. Continuation up. Off we go. Off we go. So Bitcoin ripping to the upside, everybody. Got the FOMO who isn't in the trade. I ain't got that much FOMO right now. I'm just enjoying this. I love seeing you guys win. You guys know that. You guys are absolutely crushing it today. Thank you for being here and hanging out and supporting the channel. All that good stuff using the Bitunix link in the pinned comments. Getting that VIP 3 for 6 months. Massive deal for everybody. No problem, Chris. I love you too, man. I love you too. You know, stress-free, chilling, hanging out here. Huge coffee trade. Huge coffee trade. Where was the coffee trade, guys? The coffee trade was right here. We flying, baby. There's the coffee trade. There's the Solana trade. Right? Target hit on the Solana trade as well. Just an absolute print show today, guys. Great job. Good execution. Good risk management. I mean, we're up over 10 grand this week now. Just a bit. We'll see. We'll see if we can get over 10. I think we're at 9,200 now. Continue to print. Great job, everybody. Solana looking to go here. NASDAQ. Higher high. A little bit of weakness here. SPY looks okay. Big gap up. We'll see how we go here. Jimbo, come in. Got to get your Discord, Jimbo, and we can set up a golf game with everybody. Got to set up the golf game. Since Dave doesn't want to go to Absence, I got an extra ticket for you. I might be able to come to that. And golf. Two for one deal. Me love you long time. I'm with the family though, so I want to spend time with the wife and kids. But we'll see. Kid. I'm jinxing it. Don't get pregnant in Vegas. Continuation here. Trying to push. No trade yet. Weakness. SPY is on fire, guys. The SPY does not care. Alts up 5%, 3%. Yeah, alts are looking juicy too, man. Rotation into alts this weekend. What do you guys think? We're going to have to do altcoins in the Discord. We're going straight into the Discord live after this, man. We'll find some more. We always do. Yeehaw. Push Bitcoin. My God. Good times, man. Just up only, man. Up only. Breakout, retest, continuation. Breakout, retest, continuation. We're now looking at the order block here. Order block retest for the next level. And up we go. Up we go. Up we go. I wonder if Army Pie Bear has some bearish news for us today. Be tough to absinthe in golf. Adderall? Alex loves his weekly altcoin requests. Ryan, man, we haven't done altcoin requests in like probably 4 or 5 months, man. So I think we've added like, I don't know, probably 40, 50 members. So it's going to be an absolute shit show now, Ryan. That's why we limit you to one. But it'll be fun, Ryan. Let's test it. Let's test it. Let's test it. Here comes the Fart Shart TRB Herpy coins in my DMs, and I will do them all for you guys. One only. And if it's a real shit coin, you won't even see a chart, guys. That's the thing. If it's like a really bad shit coin, there's no data for me to do. I will not do it. You will not see your coin. You will not see your coin in the altcoin TA. Okay. Good follow through here. Thank you for the 215 likes, guys. Happy Friday, man. Gotta pump this. Pump it for the gang.
Oh, the gang, 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 gang. Let's go. Lord Island King Peter in the building. We identify as pre-rich. I said we identify as pre-rich. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. Don't be a namby, poppy. Pump it up. Coffee pump. Coffee long. Pump it. Pump it. Push it up. V-Web slap. Give it the slap for rally. Soy boy Lana. Off the floor.
To
Ray
resistance here.
Orbison, kicking down the door. Click buttons, make money. Click buttons, make money. Make money. Don't top blast, don't top blast. Take the money and run, pay yourself fast. Don't top blast, don't top blast. Take the money and run, pay yourself fast. Pump it. Push it up. Push it up. Don't be a nappy poppy. Pump it up. Coffee pump, coffee long. Push it up. Better sit low when the chips low. Pocket fat, watch your wallet grow. Fit the party like a disco. Stay true to the digital. Stay true to the digital. Yeah. Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper.
This is the chopper. Stop whining.
What does he do? Right, pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Push it. Push it. Making crypto honest again. Making crypto honest again. All the gang, gang, gang.
All right. Trying to pump it, guys. This thing is ripping to the upside. Oil is dying. S&P is flying. NASDAQ flying. Solana trying. Ethereum off the wazoo. Ethereum flying as well, man. Up 3, almost 4%. Ethereum catching a strong bid this morning, guys. Ethereum looking juicy. We're going to have to start doing the Ethereum TA yet again, which is fine. Beautiful morning today, guys. Awesome stream. Great trades. Absolute spoon feeding festival. Just grateful. Just grateful for everybody here. Everybody supporting the channel. Subscribing, hanging out, all that good stuff, man. Incredible. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm going to head out. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Discord live. Jumping into that now. Touching grass. Touching ass. Whatever you're into. Get after it this weekend. Pay yourselves. Enjoy your weekend, everybody. God bless you. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.